I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta in 30 minutes. Start by bringing a large pot of water to a rolling boil, salt it well, and set a timer for the pasta cooking time. While the water heats, prep sauce ingredients and chop any aromatics. Once pasta cooks al dente, reserve some starchy water, toss with sauce over low heat, and finish with cheese and fresh herbs. Make a simple yet flavorful sauce that complements quick pasta. Sauté garlic and onion in olive oil until translucent, then add crushed tomatoes or a spoon of paste for speed. Season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of sugar if needed, and simmer briefly while pasta cooks. Toss drained pasta with sauce and a splash of reserved pasta water, then finish with grated cheese and torn basil for brightness and texture. In this video, I will show how to make pasta in 30 minutes. Quick recommendation: pick up The Simple Path to Wealth if you want smarter money habits that free up time for cooking and life. It's a handy read to change how you think about money while you master simple meals. If you're enjoying the video, please subscribe and like, then check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. Timing is the secret to nailing quick pasta dinners every time. Start water early and multitask. Prep sauce during the boil, and chop toppings while pasta cooks. Drain pasta quickly but keep some water for the sauce, and finish cooking pasta in the pan with sauce to allow flavors to marry. Garnish with fresh herbs, cheese, or chili flakes, and serve immediately for best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.